Hello guys and welcome to my first Ace Squared devlog. Ace Squared is a game inspired by Legacy and Jagex Ace of Spades. I plan to keep the Legacy Ace of Spades feeling while adding new classes and combat mechanics. I worked previously on this game couple years back and progressed quite a bit. However, now I am much more capable programmer, so I decided to continue the development. I open sourced the previous version I worked on, but the models were ugly and code was pretty bad, to be honest. I'm rewriting parts of the code and making everything more optimized and better. I also have great models made by a friend, Malik Nacious. I modeled the base character model for prototyping and later I will use the better models. From the open source version I ported some useful stuff such as the user interface, my custom Scriptable Object database system, and some utility and helper classes. In this project I am using C# with Riptide networking for game server and client. For master server that handles server list and such I will probably be using Node.js or C#. First, when starting the project I tried to set up animations with Blender, but finally decided to just do the animations with Unity because there are multiple armatures and objects in the player model and animating that with Unity is really easy. I have started development by porting voxel map importing code from my previous project, which allows me to port at least Legacy Ace of Spades maps. Then I did some planning and implementing of a weapon system. Here's my weapon system plan, which is pretty good, I would say. Actually, the map you see right now is ported straight from the Legacy Ace of Spades. I have implemented prototype version of client prediction, which currently works well with up to 10% packet loss and large latency. So basically, if you don't know what client prediction is, it is a way to do movement on client based on input, then replicate that on the server and reconciliate if the difference in server and client positions becomes too large. This basically makes it impossible to use fly or no clip cheats. Things I'm going to work on next are crouch mechanics, player and player animation synchronization, synchronizing weapon animations and first person animations. Thank you for watching. Be sure to stay tuned if you're interested in the project and join my Discord server. The link is in the description.